So this is just a little article, guys, and it's to do with climate change and other things. So it may sound like something out of a futuristic science fiction film, but scientists have managed to engineer spinach plants which are capable of sending emails. Through nanotechnology, engineers at MIT in the US have transformed spinach into sensors capable of detecting explosive materials. These plants are then able to wirelessly relay this information back to the scientists. When the spinach roots detect the presence of nitroaromatics in the groundwater, a compound often found in explosives like landmines, the carbon nanotubes within the plant the nanotubes within the plant leaves emit a signal. This signal is then read by an infrared camera, sending an email alert to the scientists. The experiment is part of a wider field of research which involves engineering electronic components and systems into plants. The technology is known as plant nanobionics and is effectively the process of giving plants new abilities. Plants are very good analytic chemists, explains Professor Michael Strano, who led the research. They have an extensive root network in the soil and are constantly sampling groundwater and have a way to self-power and transport all of that water up into the leaves. This is a novel demonstration of how we have overcome the plant-human communication barrier, he adds. So if you guys can remember, I don't know if what's left on YouTube, but I know there was certainly a lot of research and stuff about it on my channel to do with trans and the other word, which I can't say, and also the iOS, the Internet of Things as well. So they're talking about now that, you know, they were saying back in the day that everything is going to be part of the iOS, the plants, the water, everything around us, because it's going to be filled with nanotechnology. Okay, that's what they've told us. And don't forget, we are too, because we've been getting sprayed like rats from whichever day they started doing that. So this nanotechnology is in all plants now. It's not just this spinach that they're talking about, okay? This is happening now. So like he's just said, this is overcome the plant-human communication barrier. So why do we need to communicate with plants, guys? Who are these people to do all of this stuff? What are they actually doing? Plant nanobionics. So plants and trees and everything else, like they said back in the day, don't know if you can find any of this, it's been purged off YouTube. But this will be the Internet of Things, and here you are. This is proof that plants can now communicate with humans, and you've got spinach sending emails. Peace out, guys.